cutie. So today I thought I'd make a quick video of how I do my eyebrows. I completed all my makeup except for my brows. The items I'm using today are a brow brush, eyeshadow palette, and a beauty brush that I think is meant to be a lip brush. First thing I do is I brush my eyebrows up, both eyebrows. My eyeshadow palette that I've been using recently. I don't pay a lot of money for my makeup. It still has the price tag of $2.99 on it. So I'm going to be using the black today. I dip it in the color and I shake it off. And then I use a toilet paper roll and I take off the excess on both sides. Then I go in gently, starting at the top of the brow. Slow, soft strokes. This took me a long time to learn. I remember loving my makeup and then pressing hard on my eyebrow, and then I would wind up with very dark eyebrows. I never figured out that all I had to do was soften my pressure when I apply my brow. And then gently trace. Just try to fill in whatever needs to be filled. On the other side, I check. There's a little bit of sparseness and a little bit more pressure. Right there. Done. So that's how I do my eyebrow. I hope you liked the video. I also make fashion videos, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and click my page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. See you next time.